Motivation gets you going, but it never stays. Nobody tells you that part. They show you the cold plunge at 5 a.m., the guy yelling at you to get after it, but they don't show you Wednesday morning. In this video, we're cutting through the noise. I am going to break down why you're stuck, how to stop relying on a feeling, and exactly how to build the kind of trust that actually gets things done. Your brain gives you a reward for just thinking about doing something. You feel productive without ever moving. That is the trap. Motivation is a feeling. It comes, it goes. Its job is to light the match, not to keep the fire burning. The problem is not that your motivation leaves. The problem is you leave right after it. Think about the last time you started a workout, a writing habit, a promise to wake up early. Day one, you felt it. Day three, the feeling was gone and you quit. Now that gap, the gap between the feeling leaving and you quitting, that is where everything counts. You want to know what makes winners different from everyone else? One thing. They keep going when the feeling is gone. They show up Wednesday, they show up Thursday. No one is watching. No one is clapping. They still show up. Now that is not motivation. That is discipline. I know the word sounds heavy, like a punishment, but here's what discipline really looks like. It is writing when the baby's been up all night and you are running on fumes. It is showing up for a job you hate because your family needs the check. It is doing the thing you said you would do, not because you want to, because you said you would. When I was 47, I got cancer. My ex-wife was there for me the whole time. And we weren't even together anymore. But every single day she told me, you got this. Now, she did not hand me a book about mindset. She did not post an inspirational quote. She just showed up. And she said the words. Now, I did not beat cancer because I felt motivated. I beat it because I kept going to the appointments. I kept doing the work. I kept doing the treatments. One thing, and then the next thing, and then the next thing. That is what discipline looks like. It is not a movie scene. It is boring. It is just doing what needs to be done. So how do you build it? This is what I have learned. First, do not give your brain a choice. The moment you leave the door open, your brain walks through it. Your brain is a master at making decisions. It will say, we will do it tomorrow. It will say, we are too tired. It will say, we earned a break. Shut it down. If you make the call is made. No second vote. Second, start so small you can't fail. You do not need to fix your whole life today. You need to do one thing. 5 minutes, that is all. Read for 5 minutes, move for 5 minutes, write for 5 minutes, and then do it again tomorrow, and then again. Small wins add up, and that is momentum. And momentum is better than motivation because it does not quit on you. Third, stop asking how you feel. Your mood has no say in this. People who win, they don't wait until they feel ready. They work because they said they would. And here's the funny part. The feeling usually shows up after you start, not before. Action leads, motivation follows, not the other way. Fourth, get used to being uncomfortable. Growth does not hide in easy choices. It hides in the hard ones. When something feels hard, that does not mean that you're doing it wrong. It means you're in the right spot. If you only do what's easy, your life stays hard. Flip it. Do the hard stuff, and your life will get easier. All right, last. Write it down. Not a diary about your feelings, a simple log. What did I say I would do? Did I do it? When you have to look at your own promises on paper, it changes things. The ones you kept, the ones you broke. You start keeping more of them because seeing a broken promise hurts more than doing the hard thing ever did. That is how you rebuild trust with yourself. Not a big moment, not with a perfect morning, with one kept promise, and then another, until your brain learns a new rule. when you say you would do something, you do it. So here's the hard truth. You can keep waiting for the feeling. You can keep telling yourself tomorrow, and you already know where that leads. Or you can move right now. One thing, the thing you've been putting off, the thing that takes 10 minutes, do it. Not because you feel ready, not because the mood is right, because you said you would. Motivation lights the match. Discipline keeps the flames alive. And you do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. This is Jay Call, and I'm a work in progress. Aren't we all?